In this video, we will know that how to fix unknown USB device error on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is insert the pen drive or USB on another USB port and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, please restart your PC and after that check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed guys, we are going for next method. Click on start button and click here power option. After that guys, click here additional power setting. After that guys, click here control panel, this option, and click here large icon and click here power option, and after that guys, click here choose what the power button do and click here change setting, this option. Okay, and after that guys, if this checkbox is check, uncheck this checkbox. Okay, and click here save changes. You can see here there are preferred plans, so select any plans as you want. Okay, so we select this balance, and after that guys, click here change plan setting. Okay, and click here change advanced power setting, and after that guys, you can see here there are balanced active. Okay, select here high performance as you want and we select here balanced and click here USB setting, and after that guys, expand this and disable this setting. If you use laptop, there are two options, disable both option. Okay, disable this option, and guys after that click here apply and then click here OK. Now close this window, click here start button and restart your PC and check guys your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here computer management option. After that guys, click here device manager and click here universal serial bus controller, and after that guys, you can see here there are no any error message. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.